What's the meaning of conservationist? Conservationist. Conservationist.
Conservationist. Conservationist. A conservationist is someone who advocates for the protection and preservation of natural resources such as forests, wildlife, and waterways. They work to prevent or mitigate damage done to the environment and promote sustainable practices in areas like energy consumption and agriculture. Conservationists often collaborate with scientists, policymakers, and communities to achieve their goals. Their efforts focus on maintaining the Earth's biodiversity and ensuring that future generations can enjoy a healthy and flourishing planet. Overall, conservationists play a critical role in safeguarding the natural world for the benefit of all living beings.